Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert a model space drawing to paper space properly in AutoCAD. This is an important skill because it helps you prepare drawings for printing, PDF export, and professional presentation. Many beginners try to move drawings from model space to paper space, but that's not how AutoCAD works. Instead, we use layouts and viewports to correctly display the model on a sheet. By the end of this video, you'll understand the correct workflow step by step, so let's get started. First, make sure your drawing is fully completed in model space. This is where you create and design everything at full size. Do not worry about sheet size or scaling at this stage. Just focus on finishing your geometry, ensuring everything is accurate, clean, and properly organized. Once your drawing is ready, we can move to paper space. Next, go down to the bottom of your screen and click on a Layout tab, such as Layout 1. This takes you into paper space, which represents an actual sheet of paper where your drawing will be presented. Think of model space as your workshop and paper space as your final printed sheet. Now, before creating anything, set up your page correctly. Right-click the Layout tab and open Page Setup Manager, then click Modify. Choose your printer or PDF plotter like DWG to PDF, select your paper size, A4 or A3, set plot area to layout, and keep the scale at 1:1. Click OK and set it as current to prepare your sheet properly. Now we need to bring in your model space drawing using a viewport. Type MV in the command line and press Enter. Then click and drag on your layout sheet to create a rectangular viewport. This viewport acts like a window that looks into your model space drawing. Next, double-click inside the viewport. You are now inside model space through the viewport window. Zoom and pan until your drawing is positioned correctly inside the sheet. After that, you must set the correct scale. For example, you might use 1:100 or 1:50 depending on your drawing type. This step is very important because it ensures your drawing prints at the correct size. Once the scale is set, click on the viewport border to select it. Open the Properties panel by pressing Ctrl and 1 and find the option called Display Locked. Set it to Yes. This locks your viewport so you don't accidentally change the scale or view later. Now you can add additional elements in paper space, such as title blocks, notes, or annotations. These elements stay on the sheet and do not affect your model geometry. Finally, when everything is ready, press Ctrl+P to open the plot window. Make sure Layout is selected, confirm your paper size, and keep the scale at 1:1. You can preview your drawing before printing or exporting it as a PDF. And that's it. You have successfully converted and prepared a model space drawing into paper space in AutoCAD 2027 the correct way. If you liked this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment for more AutoCAD tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.